Good morning. Macy and I are in the greenhouse and we are getting ready to plant carrots. That's right. We're gonna plant.
We slept last night and then we can plant carrots now.
Yep. We slept last night, so now we can plant carrots. All right. You do what you got to do to get your sleep. All right. So, the first ones we're gonna plant are these cosmic purple carrot. Yeah, we're gonna put these carrots in, and then we're also going to.
What is that?
This is a rainbow mix.
Rainbow mix?
Yep, it's a rainbow mix. So this is a bunch of different seeds. These will be easy for you to plant.
Okay.
And then we have some Danvers.
Some
Danvers carrots here that we will be planting as well.
Carrot.
Yep. So I got a whole bunch of these Danvers carrot seeds, thinking that I was going to be planting a whole bunch of carrots, like, I don't know, for my whole community or something. Anyway, I have a whole bunch of carrots here, so if anybody needs some carrot seed, hit me up in the email, and I'll send you out some carrot seed. Anyway, we're gonna plant some of these carrots because Macy and the little girls love carrots, don't you, Macy? You love carrots? How much do you love carrots?
A lot of them.
A lot. Okay, so we're gonna get to starting on here.
I'm gonna start those ones.
Macy's gonna water them in. Oh, I'll have to hook up the garden hoses because I unhooked them the other night because it got really cold. And then I will cover them with one of our old feed sacks. By covering it for 3 or so days, it will allow these little roots to form and plants to shoot up, and just gives the carrots a little bit better of a head start. I've had more success planting my carrots this way, so this is how we do it. All right, say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys next time.